Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Let's learn about vegetables. Repeat after me. Broccoli, broccoli. Cabbage, cabbage. Carrot, carrot. Cucumber, cucumber. Onion, onion. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Garlic, garlic. Radish, radish. Speaking practice. Listen and answer. What vegetable do you like? I like broccoli. I like broccoli. What vegetable do you like? I like cabbage. I like cabbage. What vegetable do you like? I like carrots. I like carrots. What vegetable do you like? I like cucumbers. I like cucumbers. What vegetable do you like? I like onions. I like onions. What vegetable do you like? I like potatoes. I like potatoes. What vegetable do you like? I like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. What vegetable do you like? I like cauliflower. I like cauliflower. What vegetable do you like? I like garlic. I like garlic. What vegetable do you like? I like radishes. I like radishes. Let's review. Repeat after me. I like broccoli. I like broccoli. I like cabbage. I like cabbage. I like carrots. I like carrots. I like cucumbers. I like cucumbers. I like onions. I like onions. I like potatoes. I like potatoes. I like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. I like cauliflower. I like cauliflower. I like garlic. I like garlic. I like radishes. I like radishes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.